Hello and welcome to Tia Ali's Little Farm and Kitchen. Wanted to show you, this is 2 weeks already, how big the chicks have grown. They're saying hello. And if you notice, they have more color. They have pin feathers, which is their tail feather. And they've grown extremely big. They're eating a lot more. They are a lot bigger than they were. This is only 2 weeks, so today they are 2 weeks old. And just one thing I wanted to let you know is we need to be careful with, there was one time that I came and there was hardly any water, and what happened was I found out that I had a leak in the water canister because there was a crack in it. So what I did is I got this bowl. If you notice, I have a bowl, and we have to keep the water clean at all times. And now that keeps the container from leaking. And they're trying out their wings. I'm going to give you an above. I do have this little play thing right here. You can see that. A little toy to keep them busy. And I don't know if you could see their their pin feathers. But they are growing extremely big. And that's a photo bomb right there. They are adorable. And let's see if I can give you like an overall, like an overview. Let's see if I can get one of the older ones. They're starting to look like stretching out their wings, and they love the perch. Stretching out their wings and their legs, and they are cleaning themselves because they have to keep their feathers very clean from dust mites and stuff. And I do have a question. If maybe you know, oh, and look at this, they're starting to get up. So pretty soon I'm going to have to put a net over the pen because they will start flying. And they are flying right now, but they're not as confident as flying up to the top. So let me see if I can get you to look at some colors that they might have on their back. I don't know if you could see that. I'm hoping you can. But if you could tell in this one particularly, you could see the pin feathers. And that's the tail feathers. And they're getting really pretty colors. So, yeah. I like that one, the beak on that one. And one thing I want to ask you all is, do you know if chickens bite or if they peck? And the question to that is, chickens do not have teeth. So what they do is we have to make sure that they get a particular sand, and it's like a gritty, almost like a beach sand. And what I do is I put it in their food. And they love it because it lets them digest. And that's basically what it is, if you can see it there. It lets them digest the food. That way they have calcium and their eggs will grow nice and strong and they won't break when they sit on them. And that one's already looking up to fly to the top. So, I will have a problem this week, I think, with them. So the answer to the trivia question is chickens do not have teeth. Again, we welcome your questions. We'll videotape the answer. And that way, you all can participate and see how they're growing. And they are growing like crazy. They love that grit, because that's how they digest their food. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment. And he's already looking to fly to the top. Leave a comment and we await your question. Can't wait to speak to you all and communicate again. So, until next time, until next week, you'll see them grow even more. Probably their down will not be as much as their feathers come in. And with that, we say God bless and enjoy the day. Thanks for joining us at the Ali's Little Farm and Kitchen. God bless.